Alright, what's good YouTube? Wrightz here. Today, we're back again with a little more. Wearing that Barca shirt. They suck. But, alright, for today's video, we're going on the Monkey app and we're getting relationship advice from them. So you guys can learn. Shout out Isaac. Alright, let's do it. Hello? What up? Hey, can I ask you guys a question? At time?
Yeah.
Alright. How do you slide into a girl's DM on Instagram?
Yeah, okay. What happened?
How do you slide into a girl's DM on Instagram?
Slide into a girl's DM?
Yeah.
It's just, slide with her. Just be like, hey. No, don't say hey, that's so creepy.
Uh-huh.
Hey, baby girl. Next. Just be like, 10 feet tall.
What the? Yeah.
Be like, yeah. That's literally how you get a girl's attention. Or tell a joke.
Tell a joke?
A funny one. A funny joke.
Like what? Example.
Like, why did Sally fall off the swing?
Yo, can I ask a quick question for you two? Can I ask Alright, at time? Alright, so basically, how do you slide into a girl's DM on Instagram? What catches your attention?
Okay, so say something corny, but like not too corny.
Okay, make it adorable too.
Yeah.
Like not awkward, but like cool and chill, but yet cute.
Yeah.
Like what? Example.
Like, I lost my number. Can I have yours? That's cute.
Yeah,
That's funny.
That's corny. Alright. So just be corny?
Yeah.
It's corny, but like
Corny, but not like ultra. Like
Yeah.
corny, but adorable.
Alright. The kid in the back, he's like, he said. Yo, hello?
can I see your booty hole?
Can you see my booty hole?
Yeah.
Damn, I just wanted to record a YouTube video.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Hello?
Oh my God!
Yo, do you mind if I ask a quick question? Yo, hello? Hi.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I ask a quick question for you two?
What?
Alright, at time. Alright, so how do you slide into a girl's DM on Instagram? Like what catches your attention?
Use that one meme with the chocolate milk. It's like, oh, I spilled my chocolate milk and shit. That's funny.
Yeah? That'll work on you?
I mean, shit, yeah. That'll be funny.
Yeah?
We can start talking.
Alright, and I got another question, yeah? Okay, thank you.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's called Wrightz.
Wrightz?
Yeah, Wrightz.
I need that.
Alright. You gonna subscribe or what?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
It's AC. What do you mix with?
Who?
You.
I'm Australian and Mexican.
You got some big lips like you're black. That's why I thought you had a little blackness in you, young man.
No.
Why you bully me? You
Quick,
Oh my God. You mind if I what?
ask a question for you two.
Okay, what's the question?
It's not a rate, don't worry. Alright. It's how do you slide into a girl's DM on Instagram? Like what catches your attention?
On Instagram.
Yeah.
I don't know. Like, you gotta be well dressed. Fine.
Fine.
You know.
Would this
I
guy
mean, we
work?
black girls. We like.
Yo, hello? What up?
Hey.
Do you mind if I ask you what happened?
I like your lips.
You like my lips?
You catch my drifting, you shifting inside. You got me screaming. You got me yelling out your name on my knees.
So how do you slide into a girl's DM on Instagram? Like what catches your attention?
Ask her.
Ask her.
Ask me what?
How do you slide into a girl's DM on Instagram? Like what catches your attention? smile?
Yeah.
Alright, I got one more question. Well,
What?
I like your smile. Alright, so like what will catch your attention though? If a guy
Okay,
messaged
their
you?
pictures.
Their pictures? Alright. Yo, hello?
Add me as a friend. 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 Add me as a friend.
Alright, alright. Yo, can I ask you a quick question for you two?
What's your question?
Alright. How do you slide into a girl's DM on Instagram? Like, what catches your
What?
attention? What catches your attention when someone tries to slide in your DM?
If they cute or not.
If they cute? Alright. That's all?
Yeah. And
Mm-hmm.
if they have like 2K or more.
2K or more? Why, you got 2K or more followers?
No, if they have 2K or more followers.
How many followers do you have?
5K.
Yeah, 5K?
No way.
Yeah.
You lying.
Nah.
You like no.
Still has no idea that I'm here. Okay, why are you in your feelings?
Cause I broke up.
You broke up with another girl?
Yeah.
It looks like you want to cry.
No, it's because
Are you
the chile that I ate.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it burns.
Do you need to talk?
Huh?
Do you need to talk
What?
about girls?
Me?
Yeah. Are you okay?
Yes.
It's alright, there's more girls. Alright? Are you gonna be okay?
Yeah.
You just a little sad right now?
Mhm.